Framing up an incredible action shot only to realize your camera was pointed the wrong way, or scrubbing through grainy, flickering footage of an epic sunset ride because your camera sensor choked in low light is an absolute nightmare that completely ruins your edit. Traditional action cams force you to aim, guess, and constantly baby the lens out of fear of a costly scratch. The Insta360 X5 waterproof 8K 360 degrees action camera completely rescues you from missed angles and low-light noise, functioning as a rugged, heavy-duty visual workstation engineered to capture every perspective around you simultaneously with pristine, cinematic clarity. Don't let its slim, pocket-sized profile fool you. This 360 powerhouse is packed with dual, massive 1/1.28-inch imaging sensors, giving it a 144% size advantage over older generation models. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its custom triple AI chip architecture. Working alongside a brand new 360 degrees pure video mode, this heavy-duty computational engine uses advanced AI noise reduction to lift deep shadows and erase grain during twilight runs or night shoots. It records breathtaking 8K video at 30 frames per second and ultra-smooth 5.7K at 60 frames per second active HDR, allowing you to hit record, ignore the camera, and perfectly frame your favorite angles later using simple AI tools in the app. Engineered to survive the most grueling environments, the X5 features a revolutionary replaceable lens design, letting you quickly swap out scratch-resistant guards on the go without replacing the full camera. Its upgraded, efficient battery delivers a massive 3-hour continuous runtime in 5.7K endurance mode, complete with fast charging that hits 80% in just 20 minutes. Thanks to an integrated, steel mesh built-in wind guard, your high-speed audio stays perfectly crisp without muddy buffeting noise. Seamlessly integrating flow state stabilization, a 360-degree horizon lock, a case-free waterproof rating down to 49 feet, 15 meters, and the signature invisible selfie stick effect that magically deletes the pole for stunning drone-like third-person views. It is the ultimate, stress-free creative upgrade for action sports, daily vlogging, and travel storytelling. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are using this 8K beast to film motorcycle twisties or to capture underwater diving adventures. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more action cameras, 360 gear, and premium tech breakdowns. And I will see you in the next video.